the drill, boys. One of my favorite artists comes out with some new product. We gotta check it out. I'll be the first to check it out. Promise you. Back in action. We're back in the action. So stoked. I've been waiting for this package forever. It's actually a real special package to me because this is a Juice WRLD unboxing with items from literally my favorite album of his by far. Before we get into that, boys, appreciate your support. As always, you guys absolutely rock, and I'm gonna make it easy for you guys today, actually. Y'all know we're giving this away. We've been giving it away. 1,000 thumbs up within the day. Someone's gonna win this bust down diamond fake, but it's nice. Watch. All you gotta do is thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. DM me telling me you did it, and that's what I'm gonna pick. Thank you guys for that. Alright, let's get into it, man. I've been waiting for this for like 2 months, and I'm stoked. So we're unboxing a Juice WRLD mystery box today. We've bought a lot. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Juice WRLD. This one's dope because once again, it's Death Race for Love merch. Honestly, one of my favorite albums of all time. Actually, we even have the Death Race for Love right here, signed, authenticated by Juice WRLD. I actually got this before he passed for like 80 bucks. Best investment of my life. Not even investment because I'm never gonna sell it. But I'm absolutely stoked, man. Now, what this mystery box was $100, and 10 of the mystery boxes actually include a Juice WRLD shoe that sold out real fast. I really want that thing, so hopefully we got that in here. Without further ado, boys, no more wasting time. Let me know your favorite Juice WRLD album down below. I'm not gonna lie, his postpartum album, which is like a super sad thing to say, was so sick too. Legends Never Die. But this one takes the freaking cake. I've been itching for some super sick Juice WRLD merch, so hopefully we'd have it in here, boys. Freaking Monday video. Is it Monday today? I'm not sure. Monday video. I woke up in a good mood when I heard this at the door. Oh wait, we got a word from the bird real quick.
I want a bird.
This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, quality's not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why NameBranFam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. $100. We're gonna add up the worth of all the items we got, and we're gonna see if we got a good deal at the end. Once again, we're looking for shoes, and one thing I haven't done on these mystery boxes before is look at what I really want to get from this. These are the 2 things. This hoodie right here would be so sick, or these sweats would be so dope too. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Without further ado, RIP Juice WRLD. Love you to death. Hopefully, I always get sketched out, unfortunately, when like rappers and stuff pass away, buying their merch, because all I can hope is it goes to like their family and not their record label, because your record label is gonna fuck you apparently even after you're dead. So hopefully the money's going to the right place. Anyway, let's go, boys. So stoked. Mystery boxes are my favorite. What is this? Invoice. Oh yes! No kidding. Bro, this is the first time I've actually seen anyone put out like a cool picture mystery box, man. Most of them are just boxes with clothing in them. This is sick. I would pay an extra $20 for this at least. I'm putting all my cool items in here. Like, what do I own that's cool? Shoot, nothing, I'll lie. I gotta put all my tools that cool guys use in here, like my hammers and stuff like that, because that's not a no, I'm trying to sound sick. I'm gonna put all my tools in here because I build things like a man. Alright, let's go. Boys, without further ado, the Juice WRLD mystery box I've been waiting for. Even the freaking flaps got it. Yes! It's a win right away. Remember what I said I wanted, boys? Oh, I love mystery boxes. This looks like the hoodie I just said I wanted. Yeah! Oh, and it's a size large. I'm a medium now. That's fine, we're cool. Oh my god. Boys, first off, so this on the website, we'll check out the price in a second. We do have exactly what I wanted. The Juice WRLD Death Race for Love hoodie right here. I just like the color, man. I don't even really need all this stuff on the sleeve, but it is kind of sick. You know what I mean? Actually, that's so sick. We got WRLD right here, and then we got a couple squiggles of they just ran out of design money or something, because I don't know what the oh, it's $9.99. Okay, I take that all back. Very sick design. Death Race for Love, boys. This is so sick. Nothing on the back. It looks like we only have like 1 more piece though, and no shoes. So fuck. This is gonna be quick. Boys, let me know if you guys got a Juice WRLD mystery box, actually. I've bought them all so far, I'm pretty sure. This one, like I say, Death Race for Love is real special to me. That's how I found the dude way back. Whatever. How much does this cost, though, is what we're wondering. Alright, so this exact hoodie right here is $89. All we need, I guess, is another $11 to, I guess, get our money's worth. Thing's so sick, though. Next, we got 2 more things, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Please be sweats. It's not. But it's a long sleeve. Got Juice WRLD right here, boys. The back is the sickest stuff. Album cover right there with all of the tours. I never actually saw this guy live, but that is so sick to me. Definitely wearing that. And last up, boys, we have a Juice WRLD credit card. What? It's a scratch and win, which I don't promote nor like. I'm not excited about a scratch and win because those are not good to buy. I buy a lot of them, boys. I just want to win the freaking jackpot. Let's, I guess, scratch it. Okay, you can f right off. Are you serious? $25 off their website. Give me money. What's this one? Try again. Try again. All right, we got $25 off the website. A little scummy. Come on, guys. All right, last up, boys. We have, what's this? What's this? What's this? Yes! Dude, so stoked. Going on the computer, we got a really sick sticker right here. And lastly, we do have what looks to be another tee. So the shirts are like $45 each. So we've definitely already gotten our money's worth. The last one, we have Death Race for Love shirt. That's a little too much for me. Although, you know what? You wear it out a little bit and actually it's not as stiff anymore and you have it as kind of like an old rock shirt or something like that. You know, those ones that people are like, yo, I don't even know who Metallica is, but I bought this shirt. It's 20 years old and it looks sick on me. You wear this out a little bit, it might be a little cooler. It might be a little gangster. That's what we got. I mean, what did we get? About $150 worth, almost $200 worth of merch right here. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I'm mostly stoked about the freaking box. That's what it is. A lot of you guys asked me if I bought this box. I did. We didn't get the shoes. We got the one thing that I wanted the most, which was the hoodie. Not bad. You guys let me know what you think. Shout out to Juice WRLD, man. I don't even like talking about it. I remember the day that he passed. My girlfriend told me, she woke me up. She knew I was a huge fan and I just cried like a baby all freaking day. It was bad. I just sat in my room, sulked, listened to Juice WRLD like a loser. It's crazy how you can have that type of attachment to somebody that you don't know, but through their music, it's like, it's legendary, you know what I mean? That anyone can really feel that type of vibe. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. Quick video. So stoked to bring this. Let me know down below. Did we win or did we lose? We got a good deal or did we not get a good deal? I think this hoodie is probably the best thing ever. So I'm gonna say we definitely took a W on this one, boys. Wow. I gotta go freaking mow the lawn now. Great.